Yeah. Hey Chris, what the fuck did you just do?
No, please.
Oh fuck, I was recording it. In the middle of the day, like schoolgirls walking home, fucking Cam just jumps out like, rah, suck my cock. Rah, suck my cock.
I'm that Liverpool father, name an MC that spits harder. Me and my partner, cause me and my partner.
Try once more, just push down and fucking... Looks like you're in over your head. It's bad footage. Look at this. Look at that on camera. So disgusting.
With them in the mic, trust man are odd. Get locked in like them, man are odd. Man are locked in like them, man are odd. Everybody's locked in like them, man are odd. Get locked in like them, man are odd.
Fuck yeah, that's where the ball landed. Oh, right between those two gaps.
Yeah.
Them man are soft but us man are hard. Spent me years in the game and know we've never been part. A couple man tried it, but they didn't get far. In the end it's scarred. Look, this game is a walk in the forest, looking for a bear man. Has anybody seen one where man? I remember guys talking tough, but I'm still here fam. I'm a Dan, let me make that clear. Man wanna clash, I'm cool, I'm here. I'm a Dan, let me make that clearer. And I rep for the new room area. Odd, get locked in like them, man are odd. Man are locked in like them, man are odd. Everybody's locked in like them, man are 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 odd. Get locked in like them, man are locked in like them, man are. Everybody's locked in like them, man are odd.
We're keeping you up to speed with hardcore music. The music is what it's all about. I love it just like you love it. That's why you're here. I'm here because I love to play. You don't come, I can't play, and I love to play. So, we don't want to make too many speeches because it's all about the music.
I said to myself, go harder. So I stepped up my lyrical game and I make sure my drums and bass bang harder. While them man are seeking fame, me and dubs are in the studio working harder. No, there's no rest for the wicked. I need some food for the brain. So I go and check.
We're outside the camping.